Using Virtual Classroom, it is possible to create video assignments. To set this up, go to the course where the assignment will be given, head to Content, and you'll want to create a module for the assignment to live in. So we'll make a new module called Assignment, and we're going to go to Add Existing Activities. Once you select that, you'll scroll to the bottom and you'll see Video Assignments here. Choosing that, you can then create a new assignment. So you have either individual assignments or a group assignment. So we'll do the individual, and then you'll be in the creation area. So we'll give it a name. If you want to enter the due date and the due time, you can do that as well. The grade type, you have a few options here. You can use percentage, rubric, pass, fail. So however you want to assess your students, you can adjust that here. For the instructions, you either want to include your instructions here in the text area, or what you can do is click on this video area, and you can record yourself delivering the instructions. So once you have either of those on there, you will need to have either a video or a text-based instruction. The audio analysis, what this does is it will convert the audio into text, and it'll identify key terms if you specify them here in the configuration area. So if you don't want to use this, that's fine. You'll just have to switch it off here. Peer review, this is if you would like your students to review each other's work. So for example, in order for this assignment, assignment 1, to be complete, they would have to have at least 3 reviews from other students. If you don't want to use this, then you can also switch that off here. So after you have your settings, you'll hit the Save button, and you will see your assignment is now here. So if you select that, it's going to show up here in the module. Students are going to come into this area, and they're going to select the assignment. So that's the individual. Now a group assignment, you're going to go the same way. So back to video assignments. We're going to select group project. So this does function the same way. We have all the usual items here except the auto analysis. We'll put our instructions there. Off peer review for now. So one thing we do want to open here is the advanced settings. And what we want to look at is the tool set. So in a group assignment, you have the option to turn the video on or off. So if you want your students to be doing the video assignment, you're going to want to have this turned on. Documents enabled, they can share documents back and forth with one another. And meetings enabled. So what this will do is it will allow your students to have a meeting amongst each other. What they can do is they can go into Virtual Classroom, into the assignment, and they can schedule a meeting time for them to all meet. So essentially what they're doing is they're making their own online session where they can discuss the project, and they can record that if they desire. The group options. You can either have the instructor formed one, so you would pick the groups as the instructor. Student form, so students are going to choose who's in their group. And then finally, system form, this is going to be an automatically chosen group for the class. Finally, we'll hit the Save button here. In the same way, you're going to select the assignment 2. And it will show up here inside your content. So in the next video, I am going to show you how to actually go in and review these assignments There will also be a follow-up video for students so they can see exactly how they can access this and then complete their assignment.